Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I want to show you how you can access your certificates on Basecamp. You'll get a certificate of recognition every time you complete a level. As soon as your Basecamp manager approves your level completion request, your certificate is ready for you to print or download. To access it, go to the Paths and Learning page. From here, click the Open Curriculum button on your path. Then find the level you just completed. I just finished Level 2 in Motivational Strategies. When you look at your level completion item, you'll notice that the button now says View Certificate. When you select this button, your certificate will open in a new window. To see the whole thing, you might need to expand the window a bit by maximizing it or dragging the edge of the window. Now you can print your certificate or download it as a PDF to your device. Depending on your browser, the process for downloading and printing might look slightly different than what you see on my screen. And that's it. Now you have a copy of your certificate that you can use to share your accomplishments. Follow these steps every time you complete a level to make sure you see all the certificates you've earned.